Every day, you know, it's still a battle for me as well. Doesn't mean that I show you all my life. Looks really nice with my lifestyle, with what I do, you know, breaking out of the matrix. But every time I wake up as well, it gives me realize that, oh, I'm really in a physical experience and I need to do something to make out of it. But at the same time, realizing that everything will come to pass, And the most important thing is our state of being, our energy. And that's always what I'm seeking for. Every time I wake up, every time I feel down, depressed, any kind of negative emotion that I experience, I always go back to myself, into my body, into my mind, into my heart. What made me feel this way? What do I need to do? What kind of action should I do for me to change this? It's not about resisting, it is about allowing. Because first of all, those negative emotion, you allowed it to happen. It's just not maybe consciously, maybe unconsciously, but at the same time you allowed it. Because you wouldn't feel anything without allowing. And that's the learning of this, going to the high mountains, seeking perspective, no people, no judgment. It's your own judgment, actually, right? The problem with the society is trying to frame up everything, okay, I'm the one gonna lead now, and you need to listen to me. And there's no problem with that. That's how we survive, right? We pick the best leader for us. That's what wolves do. Alpha pack leadership. And there's nothing wrong with that. But for me, I already know myself. I'm a leader myself, and I can also be a person who can just go alone without needing people in my peripheral. And that's what makes me special. That's what makes me different, is because I know how to survive going out from people. And you can only know yourself more if you go out from the crowd. That's very important. That's a very big jump in my awakening. You need to learn that. Go out, learn how to survive without depending on other people. Trust yourself, be confident, connect to nature, love and respect. Take care and peace.